Hi everyone, this is Dirk, and today we're going to talk about the Weeylite Ninja 300 and the reason why I think this is an absolute game changer for creators. The Weeylite Ninja 300 comes in this practical carrying case that is upholstered from the inside. On top we find an upholstered carrying strap, the user manual and a warranty card. It is very nice that they include a reflector already in the package. This is an adapter to attach larger diffusers or softboxes. We do have a remote control. It contains a little box and inside is a battery adapter for the practical NPF 550 batteries, so you could operate the Weeylite everywhere without the need of an electrical outlet. Inside the box is also a little cable to connect the battery adapter directly to the input. There is an additional securing strap included. Here we have the AC adapter and the power cord. And here's the Weeylite Ninja 300. It looks and feels like a premium product. Really great finishes. There's a plastic protection cap over the COP LEDs so nothing can happen to them during transportation. My assistant Kiwi helped me with a very thorough inspection. Can you see this? This is 7 inches. The height is 3. This is so travel friendly and compact. This is the first reason why I say it's a game changer. Now it does come with an AC cord and an adapter, but that's normal for lights like this. What makes it a game changer is that it comes with this here. A battery adapter for the very convenient, I don't know, can you see this? NPF 550 batteries. You can just mount it here. You don't even need a screwdriver because of the little handles. And then you can operate this with battery power everywhere. So here you have a little display that shows you that both batteries are 100% full. And what you hear in the background is the cat, who is pretty upset that she is not getting all the attention right now. Another great feature is that besides the power output on our battery adapter, we do have a USB-C input where we could actually charge the batteries while the adapter is mounted to the Weeylite Ninja 300. So you would plug this in underneath, and then here is the input. You push the switch to out, and from here on the batteries are sourcing the Weeylite Ninja 300. We have a USB-C input, and that is for firmware updates only. Alright, now let's turn on our light for the first time. By turning this knob we can change all settings, or we can use it for confirmations by pressing it in. Pressing and holding the menu button will get you access to the other settings, and so you can change channels, groups, color temperature and everything else. When you press the menu button multiple times, you can see all the other settings. Here we can see the built-in fan to cool the Weeylite. So that's the sound test. I'll go very close with the microphone to determine if the fan that's installed underneath is loud or noisy. And I kept the entire time this fan running. Can you hear it? Would it bother you? So the noise level coming from the fan is really not that big. If you're in an interview-like situation, you have your microphone away from the fan and most likely the light even further away. So you might not even hear it. If the fan noise is a problem for you, then you can turn it off in the menu. Push the menu button until you see the option to turn the fan on or off, and you make your selection by pressing in the dimmer knob. So here's something, and that is again super special. My cat's not happy that I don't pay attention to her right now. So there are actually 3 ways to operate the Weeylite. You can operate it directly here using the display and the knob and all the buttons. You can operate it using this remote control, and also from your phone. There's a very practical app that works for iOS and Android. When you go to your Play Store or App Store, just type in Weeylite, hit search, and you will find this app. Click on install, open the app, and first you will see a user agreement that you have to accept. From here on, everything is self-explaining. With this app you could operate multiple lights on different channels if you wanted to. Here we turn our light on, we change the light intensity, we can change the mode. Now I'm changing special effects. Everything is easy and self-explaining. Another reason why I call this a game changer is this here, an adapter for larger light diffusers. You know, light diffusers can be super large and heavy and normally would not fit on this mount. With this adapter, they do fit. So you can use pretty much any diffuser you want. Here you have a mount for a separate tripod that could support the heavy weight of another light diffuser. And this is smart engineering. And that's why I think this is a game changer. The way to set it up is simple. Put it in and that's it. Now you could put any large light box or diffuser on here and you could secure it and support it underneath by adding another tripod, and that is super smart. So the load would not pull down here on the front of your light. Okay, pushing the release button, now we can just remove it. And yes, this light is bright. And that was at 14%. I can confirm this product is 100% Kiwi approved. Now that you've seen the video, do you agree? Is this a game changer for creators? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you liked the video, leave a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching this, and tune in soon again. Bye for now.